Hi there, and welcome to yet another exciting episode of becoming successful with proven and tested platforms that can actually help you as a freelancer or a beginning online entrepreneur make money online anywhere in the world. If you're a freelancer looking to make some serious cash, then you've probably heard of Fiverr. It's an amazing platform that connects freelancers like you with clients from all around the world. Today, I'm going to share some insider tips on how you can stand out from the crowd and make the most of Fiverr's low competition gigs. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Find your niche. You see, on Fiverr, there's a ton of competition. But don't worry, because here's the secret. Specializing in a niche will set you apart from the rest. Instead of offering generic services, think about what makes you unique and offer something specialized. Step 2. Command higher prices. By targeting a specific market with your niche gigs, you'll attract clients who are specifically looking for your expertise. And guess what? They're more likely to be willing to pay top dollar for your services. So, forget about being everything for everyone. Find your niche and dominate it. Step 3. Tap into technical skills. Fiverr is a platform where technical skills shine. If you're a coder, web developer, or video editor, you're in luck. These Fiverr low-competition gigs require specialized knowledge, and that makes them more lucrative than others. With industries going digital, your technical skills are in high demand. Step 4. Embrace unconventional gigs. Sometimes, the key to success on Fiverr is being different and even downright weird. Unconventional gigs tap into people's desire for unique experiences. Whether it's personalized songs, custom poems, or virtual travel guides, think outside the box and offer something that no one else does. Step 5. Promote your gigs. Now that you've created your niche, technical, or unconventional gigs, it's time to spread the word. Optimize your gig titles and descriptions with relevant keywords, use high-quality visuals to showcase your work, and request reviews and ratings from satisfied clients. Leverage social media, collaborate with other freelancers, and optimize your Fiverr profile to attract clients like bees to honey. Conclusion. And there you have it, my friend. A step-by-step guide to making money on Fiverr with low-competition gigs. Remember, it's all about finding your niche, commanding higher prices, leveraging your technical skills, embracing the unconventional, and promoting your gigs. Now, go ahead and join Fiverr to unlock a world of opportunities. To read the full article, check on the video description to join today, and watch your freelance career thrive. Join Fiverr now. Make money with low-competition gigs.